Have you ever tried to do something well, but couldn't give it the time to really get good at it? Well, to me, video is like that. You can't record a couple of videos a few times a year and expect to have persuasive impact. So here's my secret. Consistency. I record videos on a regular basis and make sure to get my videos posted regularly too. Because it's easy to do something halfway, but if you want to have an impact on your business, get consistent. Building a content calendar and designating someone on your team to head up that process will really help. And that's exactly what we do at Pareto Systems. My videos might look easy, but trust me, getting your message out takes hard work and dedication. If you want to do video but don't want to do it yourself, get some expert help and guidance from the superb team at Decanter.